If your Classic is feeling loose or leaning hard in corners, it's possible that you may need to replace or add a sway bar to stiffen up your suspension. Restoring it can bring it back to factory stiffness and also give you more confidence turning into corners. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Restoparts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 72 GM A-body sway bar kits. Bars are available in 1-inch diameter. Kits include the bar, shim kit, and boxed lower control arm inserts. All of our bars are manufactured from premium quality solid steel and designed to meet or exceed factory specifications for strength and durability. Each bar is precisely formed to feature the correct contours and mounting holes for a hassle-free installation. At the end of production, we coat each bar with a gloss black paint finish for protection against corrosion, as well as following the factory correct look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.